a system that you are the business person.
Yes.
What sort of profit would you expect to get if you did the business? And we've done the math. And that figure like somewhere between 10 and 20%, irrespective. And then we said, fine, let us be your handlers. Let us take anything extra above 15%, and so we guarantee the 15%. The idea is that we're able to do business at large scale, okay, and make a system that works. Now, again, because I'm on social media, I need to be careful with throwing out numbers.
Yeah, with words. Yeah.
So let's give a random example, right? If I bought a house for £200,000 and I spent another £100,000 there, so I've spent £300,000. Right? If I make £60,000 profit, so bought 200, spent 100, and I
for reform,
and I sell for 360. I've made £60,000.
Okay.
Right? Good. Now for £300,000. Now if I work out 15% of that, 15% of that is that's about £45,000.
45k, yes.
Now the way I look at it, if I actually facilitated that deal and everybody else put money together to achieve that £100,000, now sharing £45,000 among everybody and I keeping £15,000 is a work deal. So everybody
okay.
is happy.
Wow.